This video is for those who know about the law to manifest their desires, who have seen many success stories, and have manifested something for themselves. But they are now unsure about what to manifest next. They cannot decide for themselves what would be best for them. Also, if you are the one that does not fall into the above category and want to manifest multiple things at once, then this video would be extremely beneficial for you. So, the story starts. After applying the law multiple times and successfully manifesting my desire, I felt like I had to study more, and I explored many books on this subject of manifestation. I did meditation, went on an inner journey, and observed myself. After some time, I realized that all the great philosophers said that we are limitless beings. I sat with this thought, and I realized that it was a double-edged sword. You are wondering why it is so. See, being limitless tells us that we are the ones putting limitations upon ourselves. You are carrying an assumption that you are poor or heartbroken, or in other words, you are limiting yourself to only experiencing that. You can become aware of being rich to experience riches. You can choose your assumptions of being the most loved to experience love. In that way, you are limiting yourself to those experiences in your reality. Well, now some of you will be like, wow, this makes sense. That's mind-blowing. But realizing this is all cool when you are determined towards a single goal, and you know specifically what you want, when it is a burning desire for you. But on the other side, when you have manifested a major thing in your life, some of you get to a point where you no longer desire specific things, and this is how being limitless is a double-edged sword. The first aspect is that I can get anything I want. The second aspect is that, by getting anything, I am limiting myself to it. This now starts creating a confusion about what to manifest next, a black Mercedes-Benz or a white Tesla. I know I can do it. I have past evidence of manifesting greater things. This is easy for me. Everything becomes easy, but choosing a specific thing becomes difficult, and playing with this thought about what to manifest next wastes our days. I have faced such issues in my journey too, and I know some of you might be experiencing this from time to time. While facing this issue, I came across a chapter from Neville Goddard's book, and in that chapter, he mentioned a story about a lady who manifested many great things by repeating a very particular phrase. Isn't it wonderful? Something marvelous is happening to me now. Every night when she went to bed, she started repeating this phrase again and again. She got a particular feeling by repeating this, and she felt completed by it. Her life changed totally after that. She manifested lots of money, and her worries about finances disappeared. You can do a Google search for this story and read it in detail. So, what I would like to say is this: if you are confused about what to manifest, don't get stuck in the loop of finding it out. Just sleep with this amazing feeling of "isn't it wonderful?" Or make a phrase that sounds natural to you, that you would say when you are in a place where you feel something wonderful is happening in your life. Everything is working out in my favor is one such phrase that I love. Another is everything is perfect. Just pick one for you and indulge in the feeling. Be surprised by what happens next. Also, as I said at the start of this video, if you are the type that wants multiple things at once, repeating this phrase is a gold mine for you. It is because, by saying this multiple times, you will get to the same state that you would feel after manifesting your list of desires. Isn't it wonderful? Something marvelous is happening to me now. It is such a beautiful phrase that helped many, and I am sure it will help you all too. So, I hope you guys find this information really helpful. If that's the case, you can leave a heart in the comments section. And for those who comment on my video saying, but the law of attraction and the law of assumption are not the same thing, I know that. I include those keywords to reach the masses. I only talk about the law. I say the things that resonate with you. If you find my videos helpful, then please watch them. If it is not, then it is okay. There are many people out there talking to you in those exact words. Go check them out. But stop getting angry if some of my words don't resonate. Just chill. All of the information is not for you alone. With this, I conclude this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. I will meet you tomorrow with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.